hello to another one of my bike rides. This will be the 6th one of my series, and I got a new tube for my tire today. Pure luck, man. Told my dad about it last night. He said if you take the tire off and take it out, I'll go get a new tube for it. So he went and brought it to the bike place, got a new tube for it. Put the tire back on there. Still got the tag on it. And yeah. So yeah. My brother's not gonna be with me this time. If you scroll over to my channel, when you go to my page, you can look at my channels that I have subscribed to. You see Jacksepticeye, Maluka, I know the Gaming Lemon, Tobuscus, all three his, Sluggerman, Jelly, and Quabblecop. I think I'm still... Nah, I don't know. Maybe I am. But later, we're dogs. They're dogs every time I come by here. And my brother decided not to come today because he wanted to play his bass. And, yeah. I think he wants a Carabot. He wants a Carabot. I also have a major problem. I need to know how to change the color of my channel and like add pictures and stuff to my channel from my phone, because my laptop ain't got a freaking charger right now. We bought one for $20. It lasted for about 3 charges and then stopped working. So I need to know how to do that with my phone, because I don't think I can though. And also, if you would, I ain't done this yet, if you can freaking spell it right, search up Mikel Enriquez. I don't remember how to spell it. I'll have to look at it and remember his channel name. That's his channel name, Mikel Enriquez, but I don't know how to spell Enriquez. If you want to have to spell Mikel, it's M-C-K-A-L-E. And yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get any videos of us playing Call of Duty Ghosts or something, because I simply had no way to make a video with my phone at their house. So we were going to make some videos on his tablet / laptop, and dang it, we couldn't really freaking edit it at all because we didn't have the right program. And yeah, we were going to post it on his channel, but we never did. He didn't like it. Welcome aboard the Breno Gaming Motorcycle Bike-a-Majigger, where you have free peanuts and stuff like that. Not the video, just that little segment thing-a-majigger. I just did. Look, the booger light's coming on. You can't see it. Why can't you see? Oh, it's just a freaking white dot. You can see it now. I don't know why it's not even that dark. I mean, it's like freaking Swedish skies. I always say that because Tobuscus has a bunch of Swedish videos from when he was in Sweden. And the skies are always gray in Sweden. Swervy, 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 swerve. Swervy, swervy, swerve, swerve. I swerve all around the road while driving my bike. always do that with the car. So, I don't know. A lot of bad stuff would happen. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I swear, I'm not gonna crap y'all on this. I swear, by Thursday of this week, dang, maybe Thursday. Okay, Wednesday or Thursday of this week, I will get a Skyrim video. No, I ain't gonna have it posted by Thursday or Wednesday. I will not have posted by till Sunday or Monday afternoon. If you're wondering if I'm British or I'm just sucking at this accent. I'm sucking at this accent. There's a red car. There's a blue truck with a freaking awesome bike. And yeah, be sure to leave a like in the bottom below and subscribe to my channel. If you don't know how to do that, I think you just click on my name down at the bottom and you freaking press the subscribe or click the subscribe button like a boss. I'm not gonna do that. It's freaking, yeah, just do that. And I'll see you in the next video. Pop out! See you later.